Hello, everyone. Thanks for taking time to join this session. My name is Reddy Venumbaka. I work at SAP in Product Marketing Group. And today I would like to talk about how you can use SAP S/4HANA and SAP's business technology platform to deliver business agility and meet changing business needs in today's world. As some of you might have already seen this, S/4HANA is our new intelligent ERP, and the value is clear, as you can see in this slide. The value is not just for CIOs. They save around 75%, 75% lower TCO. It's also CEOs and employees and CFOs and COOs get the benefit. For example, employees can reduce total vendor invoice processing time by 60 to 70%, and CFOs can reduce time spent on their period end closing by 40 to 50%. So the value of S4 is clear. That's the point I want to make. But to get to S4HANA, you need to do migration. And for migration, you need several tools. So here is a slide that shows the recent survey we did with SAP Insider. They call it SAP S/4HANA Migration Benchmark Report. They asked all the customers who are migrating to S/4HANA and asked them what tools they use. So you see out of 6 tools, 4 of them are related to technologies. Here you have SAP ERP Integration Platform, ETL tools as extract, transform, and load tools, process management tools. They're more of a business process management, data cleansing tools. All these tools are provided by SAP, and these tools are really important for migrating SAP S/4HANA to SAP S/4HANA. So these are all the migration tools that people use, and we offer those tools from SAP, and they are proven and tested by many of our customers. So as you move to S/4HANA, there are a couple of opportunities for you to improve, right? And as you go to S/4HANA, first of all, you can improve your master data quality. We offer master data governance to improve the master data quality and place a governance model. You can also reduce storage costs. If you're running on Business Suite on any database, cost of data in your database may not be that big of a deal, but when you're running on HANA, it's better to reduce the space on HANA because it costs more to store data on HANA. You can use technologies such as information lifecycle management and technologies from OpenText to offload some of your unused or less frequently used data into a secured store, but still keep it available for regulatory reporting purposes. You can also do the migration. In addition to the SAP S/4HANA migration tools, we also offer data services, advanced data migration from Synity, and migration cockpit is what you get with S/4HANA, but you can use data services and Synity to simplify your migration. If you are just taking your existing ERP and just converting into S/4HANA, you can just use SAP S/4HANA migration cockpit. But if you are taking multiple ERPs and making into one, or if you are taking a non-SAP ERP system, if it's not R3 or Business Suite, and if you are migrating that old ERP system into S/4HANA, you need to do some transformations. You need to adjust the data models. So you can use data services or advanced data migration from Synity to simplify your migration. It's also important to make sure your custom code is migrated from your old ERP into S/4HANA. So we recommend using SAP Cloud Platform for code migration. You can also use Cloud Platform for building new applications and also for integration. We will go into that. As you move to S4, you need to make sure the performance, security is up to the mark. So we offer testing tools such as Quality Center, Load Runner, and Fortify from Micro Focus. These are partner solutions. We call them solution extensions. They are sold on SAP paper. That means SAP fully provides the support and ensures the quality is delivered to the customers as you migrate to S/4HANA. So we'll go a little bit more deep into cloud platform and extensions. All of you know, whoever is on Business Suite, you know that when you are changing your screens, you need to, let's say you are adding a field to the screen or you are adding a custom check, you need to change your code, right? So we call that in-app extensibility. So with S/4HANA, we still recommend you to use S/4HANA for such in-app extensibilities. But if you're building a custom report, and you used to do that with Business Suite on Business Suite system itself, right? So you used to build custom report on Business Suite. So those kind of reports, we call them side-by-side extensibility. We recommend you to move those side-by-side extensibilities to Cloud Platform. Why do we recommend this? Is because when you are building custom code on S/4HANA, that means you are touching your digital core, and any instabilities or any error can create instabilities to S/4HANA, and also it's difficult to upgrade and manage. So we recommend using Cloud Platform for side-by-side extensibility. And another advantage is Cloud Platform is open standards-based platform, and you can use this to get the latest innovations in the cloud. You are not tied by what you have in S/4HANA ABAP stack, so to say. ABAP is also available in Cloud Platform, so you can actually use Cloud Platform ABAP stack to build applications and use your ABAP developers in your organization. So Cloud Platform is what we recommend for building side-by-side extensions. So you see some examples here. When we say side-by-side, what kind of applications are we talking about? If you are building a user access enhancement, if you want to do some kind of batch process for S/4HANA, or if you want to build a mobile user interface, or you want to build a custom application to provide the missing functionality, or if you want to do pre-processing or post-processing, you can use Cloud Platform. And these four are some of the patterns that you can think of as you do your extensions in Cloud Platform. So customers, when they implemented their ERP, they might have implemented based on the business processes when they implemented the software. So that means they are good when the business processes are implemented, but as businesses change, as businesses adapt new processes or create new business models, they also change the business processes. If you keep doing these changes to the business process, this business process may not be optimal for today's world. So what we recommend is take the opportunity as you migrate to S/4HANA to understand the processes. We have Celonis process mining, and we also have technologies from Cloud Platform for integrating SAP S/4HANA processes with SAP and non-SAP solutions. Usually in a typical IT landscape, you will have some applications from SAP, some applications from others such as maybe Salesforce or Workday, Oracle. We provide pre-built integrations to all those software providers. We also have business rules and workflow to build additional or custom business processes in Cloud Platform. If you see repetitive manual tasks, you can automate them, and SAP provides intelligent robotic process automation to automate some of these processes. Once you understand the processes and integrate and automate, you need to make sure they're efficient and meeting your KPIs. So we provide Cloud Platform process visibility to monitor your processes so that you can optimize and automate on an ongoing basis. A little bit more deep into integration capabilities. So this slide basically shows various processes such as lead to cash, source to pay, hire to retire, and we show the SAP applications and also non-SAP applications or third-party applications. The good part is SAP provides 1400 plus pre-built integrations out of the box, and we maintain it. If you are, let's say, integrating with Workday, you can use our pre-built integrations to integrate S/4HANA with Workday, and the integration is maintained by SAP. So the advantage is you can get started quickly. As SAP is maintaining, you don't have to maintain the integration part itself. We also provide integrations to B2B or even for reporting to government agencies in some countries. So you can take advantage of these pre-built integrations to accelerate your integrations with SAP and non-SAP applications from S/4HANA. So IRPA I mentioned briefly, Intelligent Robotic Process Automation. What it is we provide a design studio. It's done on a desktop. You can run it with an agent, and you can monitor in the cloud. And it provides connectors to SAP apps and non-SAP apps. And here are 7 key reasons why we recommend using SAP Intelligent RPA with S/4HANA. There are many RPA tools, it's robotic process automation tools out there in market. The question I always get is, why should I use SAP's Intelligent RPA with S/4HANA? So a couple of reasons here, 7 to be specific. We provide best-in-class integrations to SAP applications, meaning if you have SAP applications, you may be using SAP GUI or Fiori. We have connectors that allows you to build better bots. For example, if you build with a standard RPA tool on Fiori screen, if a field on Fiori screen changes to another place, the bot breaks. So whereas with SAP Intelligent RPA, it doesn't matter where the field is because it goes beyond screen location. It goes to the definitions of the Fiori, and it works very well with SAP applications. We have out of the box 70 plus pre-built bots. You can reuse them. Even bots that you build can be reused. They're all reusable components. We have a comprehensive bot development tools, meaning we have Studio to build, we have capabilities to monitor and debug and fix any bots, any errors on an ongoing basis. We also support both attended and unattended RPA, meaning if you have a process which requires manual intervention, we also support that. If there is a process that can be fully executed without any manual intervention, we can support that too. We have a flexible pricing model with a Cloud Platform Enterprise Agreement. The value is if you are procuring a software which is not SAP Intelligent RPA, you need to buy the license, you need to make sure you pay properly and get the legal work done, whereas with SAP Intelligent RPA, it's part of SAP Cloud Platform Agreement. We also have embedded AI and machine learning to improve the bots on an ongoing basis. Okay, we talked about moving data. We talked about improving business process or automating business process. We talked about extending S/4HANA with Cloud Platform. What we are talking about is once you are on S4, you still need to do things to make it an intelligent enterprise. So what we recommend is once you have S/4HANA, you need technologies to connect SAP and non-SAP apps, get all data from not just S/4HANA, but SAP applications such as maybe C4HANA, or even non-SAP applications. You need to collect all data. You need technologies to understand and get insights out of it in real time. And you should be able to use technologies to build intelligent apps and processes using these insights that you collected. So we have solutions that allows you to connect and share all data. We have technologies to get real-time insights from all data. And we also have technologies to build intelligent apps and processes using these insights that you collected. So I want to highlight a couple of technologies. We have many of them, but we have a couple of technologies I want to highlight. First one is HANA Enterprise Edition. When you run S4HANA, It's any premise, meaning you can take S/4HANA, run on premise on your data center, or you can also take S/4HANA and run it on Azure or AWS or Google. So we call it any premise. We have S/4HANA Cloud, that's different. I'm talking about buying S/4HANA license and running on your own. So when you run S/4HANA, you get the runtime license of HANA. So when you use runtime license, it's good. It works for your S/4HANA. You can access S/4HANA data using your S4 ABAP layer. You can build data models with SAP data. You can get some basic analytics out of this data using ABAP stack. What we recommend actually is use SAP HANA Enterprise Edition. We also call it sometimes HANA Full Use. When you run S/4HANA on full use, you get access to all capabilities of HANA. Right? For example, if you want to do advanced analytics such as graph or spatial using SAP S/4HANA data, your ERP data, which is already captured, and if you want to do real-time analytics and advanced real-time analytics, you need Enterprise Edition. If you want to build programs that directly access data, you need, we call it direct SQL access, you need HANA Enterprise Edition. So next slide, this slide shows what you get in Runtime Edition. There are a lot of capabilities in advanced analytics or integration or app development which are missing in Runtime Edition. You get the core capabilities to run S/4HANA. Whereas with full use or Enterprise Edition, you get access to all capabilities of SAP HANA, spatial, graph, predictive, text analytics. You can directly access data. You can even connect with non-SAP data and get insights together, right? You can take, for example, data from social media and combine with your ERP data and get new real-time analytics that you can act upon. So that's an advantage of using HANA Enterprise Edition for running S/4HANA rather than Runtime Edition. Analytics Cloud is another thing that I would like to highlight. With S/4HANA, you get some analytics. We call them embedded analytics. They're really good for operational reporting. You get consistent UI, you get insights that you can act on. They're all real-time, they're all operational reporting, and it also provides single source of truth. What we recommend is, on top of it, you can use SAP Analytics Cloud to get not just visibility from S/4HANA, but from all applications, either SAP or non-SAP applications in your landscape. So you can combine all types of data together and get analytics. And Analytics Cloud is, as you can see in the name, it's a cloud analytics solution, and it gives you access with data from any source in your landscape. And especially with S/4HANA, it works without data replication. So we'll go a little bit more deep. So this slide gives a little bit more detail about what actually Analytics Cloud offers. First thing is you get a 360-degree analytics capabilities connecting not just SAP but also non-SAP applications. And when you use with S/4HANA, you get real-time access to data, meaning you're not replicating unlike other analytic tools out there. You get real-time access to data without any replication. You can actually monitor all processes in your Intelligent Business Suite. So it gives you a comprehensive analytics capabilities from SAP and non-SAP applications. Especially with SAP applications, you get access to real-time data without any replication. And it also includes machine learning and augmented analytics capabilities and works well with all processes that you get with Intelligent Suite from SAP. Now, let's look into some of the customer stories. We have 3 customer stories. Vinci is a French company. They took multiple ERP systems and then they moved it into one instance of SAP S/4HANA. By moving that, moving multiple ERPs into one S/4HANA, they were able to reduce the time to create quarterly reports by 98%. They're saving around 600 hours per month. They use Cloud Platform, Fury, to build a mobile-specific app and they're using it for capturing the timesheets, and they're also using Analytics Cloud not just for S/4HANA, but together with C/4HANA. As I said before, you can use Analytics Cloud with SAP and non-SAP applications and get the real-time insights and visualization as you need. So this is a story where customer is using S/4HANA together with Cloud Platform and Analytics Cloud, and also they're getting insights from C/4HANA, not just S/4HANA. Rehau is a German company, but this story talks about their China subsidiary. They use intelligent RPA together with S/4HANA to automate some of the S/4HANA processes. With IRPA, they were able to reduce the time to do financial accounting documents from 4 days to 10 minutes. They were able to reduce the time to process the orders or close the orders from 1 day to 2 minutes using bots. So these numbers are really significant, and it's only made possible because we provide technology to automate some of the S/4HANA process steps using bots. The next story is Heidbinger. This is a Swiss company. They're using S/4HANA together with Analytics Cloud. The value is by using Analytics Cloud with S/4HANA, they were able to define KPIs and get a better planned performance and reporting capabilities. They were able to access data and analytics based on their governance processes. They were able to deliver role-based and real-time insights on over virtual networks and mobile devices. The biggest value with Analytics Cloud is you can actually empower your users to create own data models and create own visualizations. So this is an example where customer is able to use Analytics Cloud together with SAP S/4HANA and deliver business value to their users. To summarize, I just listed 7 key takeaways. First thing is the value of S/4HANA is clear today, right? There are a lot of cases when initially S/4HANA came, the value was not really clear. People were, questioning, once I go to S/4HANA, do I really get the value I'm looking for? Now, as I showed in the first slide, the value is clear. The value is not just for the IT, but also employees, CEOs, and CFOs get the value out of S/4HANA. So there is no reason to wait to get started with S/4HANA. As you go to S/4HANA, by improving the data quality, you can reduce maintenance. You can improve mass data quality. You can improve quality of your transactional data as you migrate from your ECC or non-SAP ERP system to S/4HANA. You can cleanse the data, you can transform and move it into S/4HANA, and you can place mass data governance process to avoid mass data quality issues in future. As you go to S/4HANA, you also need to take your custom code from ECC to S4, and you can, by moving this custom code out of S/4HANA and putting it on Cloud Platform, mainly the side-by-side extensions I talked about, by decoupling it and leveraging Cloud Platform for innovation, you can deliver a stable core. That means your S/4HANA is really stable. And also you can give an agile platform to meet changing business requirements. You can accelerate your custom application development using ABAP or low-code development environments that Cloud Platform provides. Using our predefined or pre-built integrations from S/4HANA to SAP and non-SAP applications, you can accelerate your integrations and you can actually reduce maintenance costs. When you use, you can do your own integration from S/4HANA to, for example, Workday, or you can use our pre-built integration. So by leveraging pre-built integration, first of all, you can get started quickly and you don't need to maintain the integration itself. SAP is going to maintain it for you. You might have implemented S4 processes when you not S4, but ECC or ERP process when you started with your ERP project, and you might have changed as business changes or you get new business models into your business environment. So you can take the opportunity of S4 migration to understand the processes, understand the bottlenecks. You can optimize them and make it ready for future. And as you understand your process, you can also find out the manual repetitive tasks, and you can automate them, and you can let your business users focus on higher value tasks rather than mundane tasks. You can run S/4HANA on HANA Full Use or Enterprise Edition and leverage Analytics Cloud to deliver real-time actionable insights from all data. The value of Analytics Cloud is you not only get insights from S/4HANA, but you can also get insights from all data in your landscape, including SAP and non-SAP apps. And also you can get real-time insights without replication from S/4HANA. With other tools, you need to copy some of the data from S/4HANA, whereas with Analytics Cloud, you can directly connect with S/4HANA data and deliver real-time insights without any replications. With S/4HANA Full Use or Enterprise Edition, HANA Full Use or HANA Enterprise Edition, you can get all analytics capabilities, and you can run it right on the business data as business data gets captured in S/4HANA and deliver actionable real-time insights. So those are the key takeaways. If you want to get started, you should definitely talk to your account executive. You can organize a session where you can talk about the architecture and implementation roadmap. If you want to learn more about SAP technologies that helps you to migrate to S/4HANA, you can go to sap.com/BTP. It's SAP's business technology platform where you can get all information about technologies SAP offers. That's it from my side. Thank you very much for taking time to join this session. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.